In third grade, I had a red Snoopy lunchbox that I loved. This is not it. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be creating a coffee table arrangement for Chinese New Year in this antique red lacquer lunchbox. This is from the Qing Dynasty in China from the 1800s, and it is a vessel to carry food. There's a notch here that you can lift, and this whole panel comes out, and there's an opening here for your food. But of course, we're going to use it as a vessel for flowers. So let's get started. So I have this container lined with a square plastic liner and a 2/3 brick of floral foam in here that's soaked and ready to go. And what we're going to be using are traditional colors for Chinese New Year, reds and golden oranges. We're going to be using two kinds of roses, this beautiful Silentois rose with sort of an orangey golden center and red edges, red freedom roses, mandarin oranges, Nandina berries, and lemon and lime leaves. What I'm going to do is start with the Nandina berries. There's one beautiful stem of Nandina left on the bush, and I've cut it into shorter pieces, and I'm going to use it sort of asymmetrically in this design. I kind of envisioning it cascading out of the opening of the vessel. So I'm going to design sort of asymmetrically at an angle. And we're also going to use the grouping technique that I like to use, where we're grouping similar materials in different clusters and not having things, kind of spread out evenly throughout the arrangement. I just think it makes for a more sophisticated design. So I've got the Nandina berries cascading out the front here. And then we're going to start using the roses. The Silentois rose I discovered in the fall when I was doing the Thanksgiving arrangements. This is a really gorgeous rose, and I thought, oh, this is so perfect for Chinese New Year. Reds and golds are what's used often in Chinese New Year's design to symbolize prosperity, and red is for auspiciousness. I'm going to use, I bought these mandarin oranges to use. Now, right now in grocery stores, you can find leaf and stem mandarin oranges, but the leaves and stems on the mandarin oranges aren't so great. So what we're going to do is use citrus leaves from my garden. I have lemons and limes in my garden, and the leaves are almost identical to orange leaves. And to add in the oranges, I'm going to use these hyacinth stakes. Hyacinth stakes are just wooden stakes that are about 18 inches long, and you could cut them down to size. I'm just going to impale them on here. Now, once you've broken the skin of your mandarin orange, it's not going to last as long. So I would say this will probably last 3-4 days, maybe, without, about 3-4 days before it start molding. And I'm going to add some of the lime leaves in. Be careful of little sticklers. There's like really, really sharp barbs on here, thorns. These are lime leaves from my tree. So we're just going to make it look like it's part of the orange. I think I'm going to use this piece here. Here, set it down there. That's nice. Add some more oranges in here. Okay. The nice thing about hyacinth stakes is you can make your oranges as long as you want. You can set them deeper or have them come out a little bit. Okay. This one I'm going to set deeper in, like that. I love using fruits and flowers when possible. Oh, this one, oh, there is a pointy edge here. With hyacinth sake, there's one edge that's sort of pointy and there's another that's blunt. So I always start at the pointy edge. And you could cut it down, you could cut it down at an angle to create your own sort of pointy end. Okay, some oranges. Oh, maybe we do one more orange. Now, using fruits and flowers, not only is it very novel, but it's very inexpensive to just use some oranges in your design. It makes it very interesting, and you don't have to use as many roses. Okay, that's that over here. Now I'm going to add some more roses on this side because the Nandina berries, there's a lot of negative space so that I don't want the foam to show. So I'm going to add another orange rose on the edge here to cover our foam. Okay, let's do another red rose. Okay, I have one more stem of the Nandina berry. I think, should I reinforce the line over here or do I do it up here? Let me just try it up here to kind of give it a little bit of movement back here because the oranges are so clustered. Maybe a little bit of this berry will help it have a little more movement. I'm going to shift this. I think it's this cascade is like pointing up a little too much. Oh, I'm losing some of my red berries here. Okay. I think we could do one more red rose here. Okay, so there you have it. Super easy arrangement using a lot of the traditional colors and elements for Chinese New Year. I'm going to put this on my coffee table for Chinese New Year. So happy Chinese New Year. 恭喜发财. Thank you for watching. As always, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.